PlanSwift software can help for steel reinforcement calculation, but for that purpose you have to create a template. If you have seen the episode 14 of quantity surveying program, I have shown by few clicks PlanSwift offers us the complete steel quantity including the bend, showing the result in kg and everything. So today I'll show you how to create the same template for your own purpose. Okay, you can customize and modify it little bit according to your need, but you will know the basic today. Let's get started. Before we start creating a template, let me show you a quick example. I have few footings here and even the schedule. So how software can help us here? I simply need to activate the created template and mention the detail here. So I can choose the dia, the weight, center to center detail, longer side, shorter side, the vertical bend and cover, etc. I can deal here. All software is asking us here. So press OK and simply we need to click. You will see now 1, 2, 3. How exactly software give us a total result in kg? It's because of template. We have already customized everything. Now I will show you step by step how to create the template. You simply need to follow it. Click here count, give a name, whatever you like, press OK. So the template is created. Now we need to customize. Right click, property, advanced. Here we need few properties. So simply we need to add it here by pressing this button. I prefer to keep it in estimating tab. Just give a name as I'm giving here. Even you can modify, that doesn't matter. Main thing is the formula behind. Long side, short side, center to center spacing, cover, cover sum, cover sides, vertical bends, vertical bend sides, sum of vertical bends. I'm giving the example only for vertical bend. If you wish, you can same way add the horizontal as well. Short bar quantity, long bar quantity, bar weight, dia. These are the properties that we need. So let's firstly adjust the unit. Longer side, it's a meter. Short side, same. C to C, center to center, it's also a meter. Cover, meter. Cover sum, meter. Cover side, it's a number. Like you have a cover on one or both sides, so it's required on both sides. So it's a number basically. Vertical bend, it's a meter. Vertical bend side, it's a number each. Sum of vertical bend, it's a meter. Short bar quantity, it's the number. Long bar quantity, number. Bar weight, it's a kg. And the dia, we have added the properties, we have adjusted the units. Now what really we want software to ask us? We want software to ask us the short side, the long side, center to center, cover, side of cover, vertical bend side, but bar weight and dia. These are the important thing. So I have checked. You can see here in the form that's how it's going to look like. We'll quickly arrange this before we proceed further. Click here advanced and form layout. By pressing this button, software will allow you to adjust it. So let's quickly adjust it according to the view we really want software. So name, let's keep it on the top. Then the dia, bar weight. Both I prefer to keep it in the same row. So by pressing this button, same row, software will keep it here. You can see here. The shape, I don't really want it here, so I can simply move down. If you prefer to see the dia units, you can check here. Bar weight, you can check the units of bar weight. So this is how the second row will look alike. Then the short side, I want software to ask me center to center. We can move here, and if you wish you can keep it in the same row. So that's how it's gonna look like. Okay, long side, we need the units of both, and if you wish you can keep it in the same row. That's how it's gonna look like, short side and long side. Then the vertical bend. So vertical bend, number of vertical bend, and we can turn on the units of vertical bend. So that's fine. First 4 rows are okay. Then the cover. We need the units of cover, then the cover side. Fine, we can both keep it in the same row. So it looks fine now. Overall, it's okay. We can press OK and click here form. That will be the view. The name, dia, bar, C to C, short side, long side, vertical bend side, cover side, and that's only the shape of the counting. Okay, so this is created. Now you see here software is not showing us any suggestion. If you really want software to show you suggestion or some fixed value, we can also play there. Click here advanced. Let's say center to center, you have some fixed value and you want software to remember that. So you can mention here 0.150, 0.175, 0.200 as you like. Once you have given it, press OK and click here on a form. Next time when you click here, software will show you these values. If you want software to remember it, click here and simply choose it, any of it, 150. Same way I want software to remember a few values for the dia, for the bar weight, and for other. So for the dia I have limited size, let's say 8, 10, 12, 16. If you wish you can add more, even we can modify that time as well. Okay, something like that. For the bar weight you can mention here for the 8, 10, 12 and 16 kg, which are the regular sizes in a residential project. So I have mentioned their name. If you don't know the values, just find it from the Google. It will be easy for you. And I can choose one so software will remember this. Fine, we have done these two. Now the long bar quantity and short bar, there's a formula required, sum of bar, vertical bend sizes. So maybe there are 1 bend or 2 bend, or up to you. You can just ask software to remember something. Okay, vertical bend we have to mention according to the details. And for the cover size, again it could be 1, 2, depends. So you can keep these values and software will remember it. Fine. Sum of the cover, formula required, cover value required, we'll see it. Now let's start one by one. For the long side, it depends from the footing to footing, so let's keep it empty. Software will ask us every time. Same goes for short side, keep it empty. And for center to center, we can choose from here by following the schedule in the drawing. And for the cover, it depends, but I just want software to remember something, so I keep it here. Cover side, it could be 1, it could be 2, it depends. So main is the formula here. I want cover to multiply with the cover side. Fine, it's done. For the vertical bend, you can keep it empty or type it, but main is formula. So vertical sides should multiply with the vertical bend. It's created. Fine. Okay, short bar quantity and long bar. In the short bar quantity, we can keep the long bar divided by center to center. Same goes for long bar. In the long bar, we can keep it short size divided by center to center. And also I want software, whatever the number come here, to give me the round up value. It's up to you. If you want to keep it in a decimal, just remove the round up. Now just remember we need to add 2 more properties here. So click here, add 2 more property, long bar. It's basically to know the length of the bar, okay? And short bar. Just one thing you have to keep in your mind, whenever you add a name of the property, just try to keep it unique. Now what about the short bar and the long bar? So you have to add a formula here. In the long bar, you can add a long side plus sum of vertical bend. And whatever the quantity comes here, it should be subtracted by the cover, because we have to avoid the concrete cover. Same thing goes for the short bar. So we have to add here short side plus sum of vertical bend, round both. It should subtracted by cover sum. Fine, it's created and both are in meter. Fine, formula is created for this. Now the most important one is quantity. I kept it on the last so you can focus here. Let's bring it on the top. So we have to play here. Simply follow as I'm doing it. Long bar multiply long bar quantity, let's round up, plus short bar multiply with the short bar quantity, let's round up, and it should multiply with the takeoff. If you prefer to see it only in meter, then you have the result, but here our concern is to get the tons or in a kg. So for kg we have to multiply with the bar weight as well. So whatever the takeoff result come here, it should multiply with the bar weight according to the dia. So I can simply drop it here, bar weight. Now this is the formula. If you want to say it properly, here you have the complete view. Long bar should multiply by long bar quantity plus short bar quantity should multiply with this. Let me just round both of them. Okay, so it's inside, whatever the result come here, it should multiply with the takeoff, and that should multiply with the bar weight. Press OK. It's done here in a form. That will be the view. Let me show you a quick result. Press OK. Go to Home tab, and here I will show you the quick example. Press this button. Type the detail. The dia, it's 12 and the weight is 0.88. Center to center is 0.15. Fine. What is the short side? 1.5. The long side 1.8. Vertical bend, it depends on your section detail, you can add accordingly. How many vertical bend you have? One side, two side, or zero, you can choose accordingly. And the cover, if you have on the both sides, keep it in the same manner. Once you're done, press OK. Just remember previously the value was 137.2. now we'll see it. Once we're done, right click and stop. Here you can see the result, it's exactly the same. So we succeed creating a template. It's very simple. If you want to try it, you can evaluate. I hope you will practice and create in the same manner. And if you find out you face difficulty or not succeeding it, first thing, try to watch complete video, don't skip something. And second, if you have a doubt or question, feel free to contact me through the LinkedIn. And third, if you really get success, don't forget to share it in the comment. Let me know what's your remark. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.